Good afternoon. Is this table free?
Yes, please have a seat. Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you. It looks very nice in here.
Thank you. Here is your menu. Please take your time.
Thanks. There are so many choices. What do you recommend today?
Our chicken burger is very popular. Many customers order it.
That sounds good. Is the chicken grilled or fried?
It's grilled, very healthy and delicious.
Perfect. I'll have the chicken burger, please.
Great choice. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. I love fries.
And what would you like to drink?
I'll have a Coke, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Large, please. I'm very thirsty today.
No problem. Would you like any sauces or extras?
Yes, ketchup and mayonnaise, please.
Certainly. Anything else?
Do you have any salads?
Yes, we have a fresh garden salad.
I'll take that as well.
So that's one chicken burger, large fries, a garden salad, and a large Coke.
That's correct.
Would you like dessert later?
Maybe later. I'll see how I feel.
Your food will be ready in 10 to 15 minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.